800,000 profit. You can see 800,000 profit. We are killing it. We are killing it one way. It's a real account. You can see we are killing it one way. I told you that I'm gonna make $1 million this year. Check this out. Check this out. Welcome to my channel, guys. On this video I'm going to take you on a journey of how I made 800,000 profit from a small deposit of 5,000 rands. I'm not just gonna show you the profits that I made, I'm also going to show you a step-by-step process on how I was able to achieve this big profit. So I hope you learned something from this video and you will also be able to turn any small account into big account. I'm also going to cover the psychology behind this trade later on this video, so make sure that you stick around until the end so that you don't miss this dope skill. And if you're still new to this channel, guys, make sure that you do me a favor by subscribing to the channel and hitting the like button so that you don't miss the next video which I'm going to upload. So without wasting time, guys, let's get straight to the video. Yes, guys, you can see I've entered the market here at the support level and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 0.03. I've entered with 0.03 and the market is pushing up here. You can see right now at the moment I'm making 27,000 profit. And the main reason why I entered at this level is because this level is very strong. This is our support area from yesterday. So let me quickly do a market breakdown so that you can see why I entered the market here. Yes, guys, this was the situation of the market on the day I entered the buy trade. You can see that I have my support level here, my resistance level here, and my intraday line. The intraday line, I put it exactly where the previous market has closed. The last candlestick which the market closed with, so it's the intraday line. The support level is here at the lowest point and the resistance level is here. So someone might ask, why do I say this is the support level and why do I say this is the resistance level? So the reason why I say this is the support and this is the resistance level is because of the previous market, the market which was on Friday. So you can see this market here on M15 time frame. You can tell that this was the intraday on Friday. So the market opened here and it played around the intraday. So it never really moved from the intraday. Then from there, it moved by going up. So the buyers took over. So the market, when it got here, it rejected. So the buyers lost power. The market went down. It went down straight to the intraday. Then from there, the buyers took over again and it went back to the resistance level, right? So we knew that this is a strong level, so that's why I've put the line there to show that this is the strong resistance level. So it means that the next day we expect that this area it will be respected. Then from there the market dropped, the sellers took over, the market went down and it created the new support level. So this is my support level where the market turned at. Where it turned at to go up, it's in your support level, then it got back here, then it closed around here on the intraday. So this is the highest point from the previous market and this is the lowest point. So in our current day, it's our support and our resistance. It's where we are expected to buy or sell the market. So on this day, I did the analysis for the market direction and I got that the market is gonna buy for the day. So when the market got to the support level, I knew that this is the strong level which the market respect, so I'm supposed to buy here. So this is exactly what I did. I bought the market here on the support area, then I went up with it. So if we look at today's market, we can see that when this market opened, it opened up with a gap. So when it opened, it went up here, then from here it went down. So once it goes down from that level, it means that the market has created a new resistance level, right? So if the market direction for the day it was a sell, I was going to sell from this point. I was going to enter the market from this point to go down with it. So if it comes back to this level, it means that I'm going to enter the market from that point to go down, right? But since the market direction it was a buy, we know that we're supposed to buy the market. So when I got the market was below here under the intraday line. So what I did is that I waited for the market to come back here to the support level, then I entered to go up with it, right? So it means that in order for you to enter the market and kill it the way I kill it every day, You have to know the market direction. So this is what I teach in the VIP group. I teach how to get the market direction so that you know exactly what you should expect when you are trading. So you know exactly where you should enter the market, and you know exactly where you're going to exit the market. So once the market came down here, I entered. Then when the market pushed up here, that's when I made 27,000. You can see the screenshot. This is how I got into this buy trade. 2 days later, I'm making 70,000 profit. You can see the screenshot, you can see the proof, guys. So the reason why I'm making this much around this time is because of the companies under the nasdaq market. Remember that the nasdaq market is formed by 100 online companies. So it means that in order for the nasdaq market to go up, these companies should be green, they should be making profit. So if these companies are making profit, the nasdaq market is gonna go up. And if they are making a loss, it means that the nasdaq market is gonna go down. So right now you can see majority of them, they are making a loss. It means that the market is going down at the moment. But on this day when I made this 70,000, all these companies, they were green, so it means that they were making profit. So when they are green, it means that they are making profit, and when they are red, it means that they are making a loss. So if it's green, it means a buy, and if it's red, it means a sell. So but the smart way to take this is to take the top 7 companies under this nasdaq market and add them to your CNBC watch list so that you can make better decisions when you're trading. Instead of watching all 100 companies, it means that you're only going to take 7, and you're only going to make your decisions based on the 7 companies. But the main company under here is Tesla and Amazon. So these are the most important companies which you must watch out for every time you're trading the nasdaq market. So on this day, for me to be making 70,000 like this, all the companies were green and the market direction was confirming a buy. So on this website, you're only going to check the performance of these companies. So in order for Tesla to be making a loss of minus 1.63 right now, it means that there is something happening to it in order for it to make a loss like this. So remember that these companies are backed up by investors. So in order for it to make a loss, it means that the investors under it are panicking. They are taking money out of it. So that's why it's making a loss. And in order for it to make profit, it means that investors, they have hope, they have high hope that it's gonna gain value in the future. So when they put in money under it, it means that it's gonna gain value. So that's how we analyze the nasdaq market. After 10 days, I was on 113,000 profit. You can see the screenshot, you can see the proof, guys. You can see this where I entered the market and the market pushed up the next day. So it broke out the resistance level and came back to retest it. Then from there, after retesting it, it just started pushing up, right? So it went up for 10 days. So this is where the market was by the time I was making 115,000. The reason why I entered the market and held on this trade is because I had other accounts that I was trading with. So this account was specifically for this long term. So that's why I didn't think too much about it. So this is the strategy that I use each and every time when I'm trading the market. So let's say, for example, I have 20,000 that I want to trade with. What I will do, I will split that 20,000 into 4 accounts. So I'll deposit 5,000 in each and every account so that I can have different accounts for different things. So let's say, for example, I'll have 2 accounts for short-term trades and 2 accounts for long-term trades. So the 2 accounts for short-term trades, I'll be trading with it each and every day. I'll be making small profit with the short-term trades each and every day, whereas I'm holding the long-term trades. So this is exactly what I did with this long-term trade. I deposited money specifically for this long-term trade so that I can hold it for a few months. So that is why I was able to hold this long, is because I didn't think too much about this trading account. And another reason I entered this long-term buy trade is because the market was oversold from 2022. So I'm expecting the market to recover the whole drop from 2022 to go up to the highest high. So that is why I held on for a few months, and you can see now I'm on 300,000 profit. So when the market was pushing up like this, I decided to add more trades. I entered 20.01. From there, the profit, it was pushed to 300,000. So you can see 1.01 is making 10,000 at the moment. So the market is still pushing up because the facts are still telling me that the market is gonna push up. And my take profit is on the highest high. It's on where the market turned at from the 2022's movement. It's on this area where the market turned. So I'm still expecting a big push to the upside. After a few months, I was on 500,000 profit. That 5,000 now, it's on 500,000. And this is where I entered the market, and this is where the market is at the moment. You can see I've been holding this trade for a few months. Before I entered this long-term trades, I made sure that my emotions are in check. I made sure that I am right with my emotions so that I can make a logical decision. I understand that the market doesn't care about my emotions. It cares about logical decision. It cares about facts. I make sure that before I check on the market, I read my psychology book so that I can be right with my emotions. So that's why I'm able to hold this long, is because I understand that the market doesn't use emotions at all. It uses logic. If the market has to buy, it must be logical in your mind. You have to use your mind only, not emotions. The reason why I'm not surprised by these profits that I'm making at the moment is because I've already seen everything before it. I already planned out everything in my head so that I can be prepared to hold this long-term trade. So I already imagined myself making more than this much. So that's why I'm able to hold this big profit, is because I've already seen myself making more than this. So that is the first step when it comes to trading. Every time I deposit money into my trading account, I'll start off by planning in my head. I will have a big plan. What am I going to do with this account? What am I going to achieve with this account? So that is the first thing I did when I deposited this money for long-term trades. I knew that this market is still gonna push up, so I have to be prepared in order for me to hold this trade. So I prepare myself. So that's why I'm not surprised by this 500,000 at this moment. So you can see I'm still holding this trade. After 5 months, I'm on 800,000 profit. You can see the screenshot. That 5,000 now is on 800,000 profit. This account is still pushing up, is still going to the highest high. So this is where the market is at the moment, and this is where I entered the market. You can see it's a long journey. It's a long journey. I've been holding this trade for 5 months, and I'm still gonna hold it until it reaches the highest high. And the main reason why I'm able to hold this trade is because I've trained my mind to separate emotions from the chart. Every time I go to the chart, I make sure that I use logic. So that's why I'm able to hold this much. Because to me, it's not even about money, it's about being right. I know that this market is still gonna push up and it's still going to the highest time. So that's why I'm still holding till this day. And I'm waiting for this market to hit take profit. I'm waiting for it to hit the highest high so that I can take profit. So I'll probably close this account with over 1 million. So that's why I'm still holding this trade, is because I haven't reached the target. So my target is not money. My target is on the chart. As long as I am right with the market and I'm on the right side of the market, I'm still gonna hold this trade until the market decides otherwise. Then that's when I will close the trade. But for now, I'm still right with the market and I'm still holding this market to go up to the highest time. So if you wanna see me hit take profit with this account, make sure that you follow me on Instagram, or you can follow me on here. You can just subscribe to the channel so that you can see and monitor these trades with me, whereas I'm killing the market each and every day. I hope you like this video, guys, and if you are still new to this channel, guys, make sure that you subscribe to the channel so that we can grow it together. So without wasting time, guys, I'm out.